Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Myojo. This is from Myojo USA. This is for an upcoming Meet the Manufacturer series. Some fresh stuff in here. Let's check it out. Shiny. So there's a couple of these big shiny pouches. They kind of look like bubble wrap. Let's crack this one open. Alright, so first off, we've got their seafood tonkotsu. This looks absolutely delightful. And then here's their garlic miso. So if you're not getting it, these are ones that you'll find in the refrigerated section. I've seen these before at 99 Ranch, and they've got new packaging, and yeah, so these look really, really good. I've often thought, man, I need to try all of these, and it's cool because they sent me them. And here's another one of the big pouches. Here we have their vegetarian shoyu. Shoyu translates to soy sauce from Japanese. And finally, there's shio tonkotsu. Wow, cool. Thank you very much. I'm truly looking forward to trying these varieties that come out of the United States. I think the noodles are made here and the broths are made in Japan. I don't know. I'll have to ask. Maybe everything's made here. I'm not sure, but in the Meet Manufacturer, that'll definitely be addressed, and you'll know all about this company and everything they've got. So very cool, and thank you again. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.